Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at Viator, a website specializing in booking tours and activities around the globe. Viator offers a vast catalog, ranging from classic sightseeing tours and historical excursions to adrenaline-pumping adventures and unique cultural experiences. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, Viator likely has something to cater to your travel interests. Navigating the website is fairly straightforward. You can search for activities based on your destination, travel dates, and interests, allowing you to quickly narrow down the options and find what you're looking for. The platform provides detailed descriptions of each tour and activity, including itineraries, what's included, meeting points, and cancellation policies. User reviews and ratings are also prominently displayed, offering valuable insights from other travelers. This feature can be incredibly helpful in making informed decisions about which experiences to book. Viator also often features deals and discounts, making it a potentially budget-friendly option for booking your travel activities. One of the advantages of using Viator is the ability to manage your bookings easily online. You can access your itinerary, make changes if needed, and contact customer support all through your Viator account. While Viator offers a convenient and comprehensive platform for booking tours and activities, it's always advisable to do your research and compare prices with other providers before making a final decision. Sometimes, booking directly with a local tour operator can offer a more personalized experience or even a better price. However, for the convenience of having a centralized platform with a wide range of options, Viator is definitely worth considering. So, whether you're looking for a guided tour of the Colosseum, a cooking class in Tuscany, or a whitewater rafting adventure in the Grand Canyon, Viator provides a convenient platform for discovering and booking experiences to enhance your travels. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.